Hallucinations aren't an LLM failure. They're a context failure. When fed conflicting data, and every business has conflicting data, LLMs have no choice but to guess. Encore's award-winning framework resolves this context problem by starting with the systems you already have. Encore leverages LLMs to understand your business knowledge, but it goes beyond that. Encore draws on over 20 years of proprietary technology to tag, clean, and organize your data. Encore creates a single, approved source of truth. The model isn't left to guess. With clear and concise context, the confusion leading to hallucinations is eliminated. Your experts can review, validate, and lock down content, ensuring you always have a full audit trail. And this process runs continuously for every new piece of content. This is governed explainable AI. This is Inbenta, Encore.